Hey everyone, today I'm doing the embedded task automation in RPA Hub. So as you can see, I'm in the RPA Hub workspace. If we check this out, I've already got it loaded. So I've got one disconnected bot and I've got one new bot here. So this is how I set up the embedded task configuration. So I built a new bot process. I got the attended bot process v2. If I click on that, it'll open up. This is where you got the details. Here's the process jobs. How many robots I got for it. This process is in maintenance. I'm going to show how we get back to published, which is the little button right here. But I'm not going to do that just yet. And there's the details. So you can see that there's the package for it. I can change it to, any of the packages I've created. I've also got the package version. So we need this to display the button that we're going to be using. And then here's the execution logs down here. Here are the track automation logs. And we also got the enable embedded task automation checkbox down here. This brings, when this is checked off, this brings up these two new tabs right here. So if I uncheck it, you'll see them go away. And that's what we'll need for this. So we check that. I've got an attended user group. So I've added assigned user to this bot is system administrator. It's me. And I also set up some process field parameters. So I've done address, company, correlation display, email, first name, last name, number, just anything you want in the record. I'm setting this up for the incident table. So this is pretty simple to set up a new record for the process field. So if I did name, let's just do, assignment group. Assignment group. Let's save that. We can close that now. And this is where we set it up here. So we go the attended configuration. Now that I have the assignment group field, we click on your attended configuration. So I want to start attended bot. That's my little button name. As you can see, I set the table of the incident. There's my UI action label, which is start attended bot. I'll show you that in a little bit. This is the process configuration I'm using. And there's the start attended bot. Over here in my field parameter mapping. So to add one now, so you see I've added all the other fields I have. I've got number. So I want to add assignment group. So we go edit, come in here and go edit. We go new. And you can go either go save and map a next one. So if you have multiple, you can go save and map next, or you can just save. All the other ones are no longer selectable because you can only do one. So I can check if I got assignment group, I want to do assignment group. But since I need to walk to the assignment group name in this case, because that's what I want. Save. That's all I need. And there you have it. That's how you add a field process parameter to this. So we want to activate that now. Let's go back to the details. Let's close that. Let's make sure this bot is in published. So we can publish it now. And you can see it's in maintenance. It was in maintenance and now it's published. So if we want to put it back into maintenance and edit these things, we got to put it in maintenance again. So let's see how this bot works. So if we go to the incident table, so I have the incident set up here. In my case, I am going to be sending the number to an Excel sheet, pulling a correlation display, just a set of numbers, and then sending that data back into ServiceNow to fill the correlation display field here. So we go default. I added the correlation display field here. So now if we go look at my bot, so I got to start. This is where I grab my attended configuration. So here you can see there's the start attended bot. I go around here and I grab my field process parameters. I only want the one number. So I added number here, or you can return, there's the object for it. But I only want number in this case. So I'm using number over here in the field value for Microsoft Excel. So, page one, B is the field. So if you look at the data after, you'll see B is the column, and there's the field value I'm looking for. So there's number. So that's where I use the variable there. I'm opening the field, opening the Excel sheet, and then I'm going down here, passing the variable, which is also used over here, putting it into a variable, sheet name. So there's my variable page one, goes to the sheet name, which is column one, true. And then I'm also going to set the table. So I need to set a data table because it's returning. And then I can pull the get count, which is rows and columns. So I'm doing a 0 and a 4. because this displays a thing. So if I look at preview the data, I don't have it run right now, so we can look at that after. So then to set the process parameter of the field, you got to use this set process parameter, and you return your object from, so I'm doing a get cell value. So I'm doing row and column. This is my row 0, column 4. And over here, I'm going to terminate it, and that'll be the end of it. So if we close this, oh, that's not, let's cancel that. Let's go and see how this works. So I don't have an Excel sheet open. Let's head over to the incident table. As you can see at the top there, I got my start attended bot. Let's click it. So as you can see, that was quite quick. Grabbed the filtered, grabbed correlation display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sent it back and updated the field 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it for the thing. So it came through, ran through this whole workflow, and it set the correlation display here to my object that I found in 0 and 4, which was over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thanks for watching.